What if you could have the top content strategy that could bring you leads right now? We are talking about video as a key part of your marketing funnel, but not just to attract cold traffic, but also to warm up your traffic and convert them into potential customers. So this little exercise that we are going to do today will help you use video effectively in all parts of your funnel. So let's get right onto it. Hi everyone, I'm Mahana Lara. I'm the co-founder of Rise and Be Rich and Rise Marketing, and we help coaches, consultants, service-based businesses who complain that marketing doesn't work for them or bring them results. We help them through a process that ensures that they have authority and domination within a particular niche, so that they're never short of leads and they're never short of market opportunities. And based on our work, one of the key things that we use is video in different parts of our marketing campaigns, and especially in different parts of the marketing funnel. So if you're a solo entrepreneur, a small business owner, chances are that you are making all the key decisions in your marketing. You are the chief marketing officer, but one of the challenges that we see with solo entrepreneurs and small businesses right now is that there is there's so much change in the environment, and then there's lack of feedback or lack of data right now from the market telling us exactly what to do. There are some pointers, there's some information that's coming through, but there's not enough of it. So the problem becomes, with all these changes, new rules changing within the channels, like Facebook changed a lot of their configuration. So all of this becomes difficult to assimilate and then figure out what is the best way to market your business. So this is one of the reasons that a lot of entrepreneurs stay stuck with their marketing. So instead of getting confused with all of these changes, I wanted to simplify this process for you. And if you haven't seen our mini training on why you should be using video, there's a training that I believe Daniel did a few weeks back inside of our group. So check that link. That will be in the description, but he talked about the 5 reasons why you should be using video right now. So go take a look at that. It's a short video, but you should have that inside of our group. But if you know why video is so important right now, we know that we need to use video in our marketing. So let's look at how to attract leads through video at every step of your marketing funnel. So if you start observing in the market what top marketers are doing right now and how the market is working right now, just focus on, say, one channel. Let's take Facebook. You will see that there is a focus on videos, stories, communities, and groups. So you will find that it's important to focus your content towards within a certain niche and to build up a community, and then to bring that community through your funnels all the way to your offers. So when we create a funnel, we know that there is a front of the funnel or top of the funnel. If the funnel is this way, then there's a front of the funnel or top of the funnel where you're bringing in cold leads, absolutely new people into your community. Then you have the middle of the funnel where you're nurturing them. You're nurturing these cold leads, making them warm and getting them to engage and interact with you. And then you have the bottom of the funnel when these leads are ready to work with you or take a particular action, then it becomes conversion. But when we ask entrepreneurs to create content for each of the parts of these funnels, it becomes very overwhelming for them. What should I be posting, to attract new people in my community? What should I be posting to help those who've been in my community to take the next step? So we get questions like this all the time. So to simplify that process, let's just take video. Okay, and when we asked when we try to look at what kind of marketing action that you need to take in order to take your cold lead to the warm, your warm lead to the next step. So that's the front, middle, and the bottom of the funnel. The easiest reference for you, or for all those marketing actions, the easiest reference I can give you is to look at your Facebook Ads Manager, how they have mapped out the campaigns, and you will have the answer. So let me do a very quick thing. Let me switch my screen to show you exactly how the Ads Manager, the funnels look like. There we go. All right, so there you are. So as you can see here, right, there are three parts to this. There are three parts to this. The first part here is awareness. And when you're looking at cold traffic and you're trying to bring them into your community, what a lot of people do is they will start, whether it's ads or putting content, they do it with a different intention. But the first intention is to get brand awareness. Let people get to know you, get to like you, get to see what you're doing. So branding, I know a lot of people don't focus on branding, but branding within your niche and really focused, targeted brand gives you massive, massive results. So right here is your cold traffic when you're bringing new people into your community. But after that, as you are moving them, as you're nurturing them, you can take all of these different marketing actions. And one of the best ones, of course, is engagement. And when you look at engagement, what it says is get post engagements or page likes or event responses or offer claims. So what you're really looking for is an engagement, a communication with your target markets or with your audience that is already now they're warming up to you. And of course, there are other things like traffic or lead generation, where you're taking them off the Facebook page into lead generation funnel. However, at this place, you're still nurturing them. You're still giving them value or valuable content until they become ready. They become, hot leads when you start looking at conversions. And I want to show you the difference between that Facebook says, the difference between lead generation, which says drive more sales leads, such as email addresses from people interested in your brand or business. And then conversions here says drive valuable actions on your website. So whether it's a webinar or getting into an appointment funnel or getting into an app or your messenger sequence, that's where you start seeing the conversion. So I'm going to stop sharing. There we go. So when you are planning your videos, whether it's a Facebook Live training video or you're doing a short video, and a short video could be 30 to 60, like a minute long, 30 seconds long, or even 15 seconds long, which could be trigger videos that you create. Make sure that you're thinking in context to what type of marketing action you want, what type of lead you want to take them to the next step. Is it cold? Is it warm? Is it hot lead? And that you're trying to attract, and then use that type of marketing action, use that type of video to take them to the next step. Now, another thing that I really wanted to share with you before we wrap this up is a question that we get asked: what are the different different video channels that you're using? So if you want to sort of look at what top marketers, what video channels top marketers are using, for which channels should you be producing video content, I want to share with you the Social Media Examiner's 2020 Industry Report. I'm just going to quickly, there we go. And I wanted to share this particular pie chart. And as you can see, that Facebook video and YouTube video are half of that pie. So if nothing else, create video content. Remember the funnels for Facebook video and YouTube video. And then of course you have Instagram stories, Facebook stories. If you're doing Facebook video, it's really easy, or a YouTube video, it's really easy to put that up on LinkedIn as well. So you've got LinkedIn, Instagram feed, and then IGTV. So this is a diagram which is the most important video channels and marketers for marketers is. So when you're planning, make sure that at least you've got these two covered. That's it. So I hope I convinced you on using video to attract your leads and clients. And if you want to stay tuned to more high growth marketing trainings for free, please join us in our inner circle. As I said, it's 100% free. I'll leave the link of it in the description. And you also get some resources. I think the current resource guide, when you sign up, the high paying packages, which shows you how to build a 6-figure or higher business within any niche. And you can download that, you can go through it. It shows you what kind of packages you need to make, and then it'll direct you to the group where we post free trainings from time to time. So the link is in the description. Do subscribe to our channels and make sure you get your marketing producing results, and you do it the easy way. I'll see you again in another video of Rise and Be Rich. Bye for now.